Hey everyone. In the last video, I showed you how to use XLR5 to get the airfoil data that you need to input into the sim, right? So it's not, this is the file we generated last time using XLR5, but we cannot input this directly into the sim. We need to format it in a way that the simulator likes, right? So all we need is alpha, CL, CD, and CM. We just have to get rid of all the other columns, right? So I'm going to quickly show you how you can do that, how you can format it in a way the sim likes, right? So I'm going to close this for now. So you can open Excel, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that file in Excel, all right? So go open, open, and I'm going to select that file right here. So basically what this asks me is that when you try to select, when try to open that txt file, it'll ask you to do like delimited or fixed width. I'm just going to click delimited. Click next, semicolon, comma, space, stick, but you can check everything. Next, and then do finish. So, you can see that it basically opened the same file in Excel. You got all of that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically get rid of everything except for the CLCD and CM, right? So I'm going to select, oh, hold on. I'm going to select this, right click, delete. Right, I don't need this. Delete, delete. I don't even need the heading, so I'm just gonna delete those as well. Delete. All right, so now we just have CLCD and CM. But say you have all the way from -28 to 30 or -30 to 30. But ideally, what we like to do is have data for like -45 till 90 as well. So what I'm going to do is just put -45 and then -90. Well, like -90 degrees. Well, you hope there's no like CL, right? So there's your CL should be like 0, and I can write CD as 1. That's basically the max, or you can just, that's an assumption, right? And CM as 0. Um, in here, like -45, I'm just gonna like, this is just an assumption, like negative 0.5. I'm just gonna write CD as 0.5, and CMS, I'm just gonna put it at 0, right? So this is, again, just an assumption. We just need to take it till 90 degrees so that in case, you in the simulator, if you are orienting the aircraft at really high alpha, then, you should have some data for the simulator to work with. Okay, so, and then same on the lower end. So you got 45 and 90, and I'm gonna write like 0.5, 0.5, 0, can do like 0, 1, 0. All right, so that's it. You got, now you have alpha, CL, CD, and CM. Now all you have to do is go and click Save As. When you click Save As, you can see the tab delimited.txt. That's fine. Just go ahead. I'm just gonna do NACA 2412.txt and then click Save. It will basically ask if some features in text workbook might be lost. Just go ahead and click S. So basically, this is the file. Hold on, let me minimize it. Oh, it's not being there. So basically, it'll create a file like .txt file right here. Okay, so let me see. Okay. All right, so I'm trying to move the file that I just generated into a frame because there's just one more final step to do. Oh, there it is, right? So if you right click and rename, um, so it's a .txt, right? If you do get info, you can do this in Windows too. It's in like plain text format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, rename. I'm going to rename it .asc and not .txt, right? I should be able to. So again, if I open it, you can actually see this, go all the way from -90 to 90. You can see NACA 2412.asc. Yeah, so make sure there's no .txt format here. It should be .asc format. It's still showing 3xc. You can open it, but Ideally, we like it to just say like .asc and not in a .txt format. Okay, so that's important. So right, so let me go to get info. Right, so we got naka2412.asc. Oh, there it is. I don't want .txt extension, so right there. I just purely in the form not .asc. So again, it will ask you to keep txt or do use .asc, just do asc, and that's it, right? So now you may not be able to open, but that's fine. You know the data is there. So that's basically what you're going to upload in the sim. Okay. I hope that made sense. So all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.